What is up, you guys? It's Felicia with Fins and back with another video. This weekend, John and I are in yet another hotel room. I have a shoot tomorrow. I've been filming all this week. Mount Hideaway Mysteries. The sequel, there was a first one that I was also in, so if you want to watch it, go ahead. It's available on Amazon, all different types of streaming. Anyways, I'll leave a link in the description. But yeah, so I'm filming a movie, which is very exciting. And so we came closer to the filming location tonight and for my filming tomorrow. And we're just gonna, hang out and we've just been having a ton of fun going away on these fun weekend adventures for shoots, tank shows, all these kinds of things. So here we are again for now, a new type of entertainment, a movie. I did not have very high expectations for this hotel, but upon arrival, it ain't bad. It ain't bad at all. We have TV, chest of drawers, a nice dressing area with a nice big mirror, which I like. Nice desk, which John will appreciate because he has a lot of schoolwork to do. A reading chair, which I plan on using because I'm reading a book right now. Oh, there's John in his mermaid shirt.
What's that?
John looks cuter than me today, which doesn't happen often.
It smells weird.
I think maybe it's your nose.
This whole trip is smelling weird.
Whole way down here. Well, what exceeded my expectations was this very old microwave and coffee station and mini fridge. That's actually pretty big for a mini fridge. Another full-length mirror and a closet, of course. Another thing that exceeded my expectations was it has a steamer. So that's kind of cool. Then we have your standard bathroom with plenty of counter space. Hello. This is the fit for comfy car ride and checking into a hotel kind of late. This limited edition, unreleased Slovakian 3x3 hoodie. My nice Adidas sweatpants with some nice zipper pockets. And my gold tennies. John's got his mermaid shirt on, his nice green pants, and the Vans. What kind of socks are you wearing today, John? Okay, I'll show them. Oh, we got the nice pink and blue rainbow socks. All right, we're gonna go and find some place to eat, maybe? Or we're just gonna cuddle. Okay, guess we're not gonna cuddle. Oh my gosh. It's a bit dark, but we're at a tap house in historic Winchester, and we called two different places to see when their kitchen closed, and the first place was very rude. John just said, "Hello, what time does your kitchen close?" And she goes, 10, or whatever time she said. And then John said, "Okay, thank you." And she just hung up. And then we called the next place, and the guy was very lovely, gave us extra information and preferences for him to run his business smoothly. So we went to the second place. Let's go now. Ooh, it's the next day. We're out in sunny Winchester, and everything looks much different. And we're going to a cute little cafe, and we pulled up and it's a church, and I said, John, are you taking me to church? And he said, yeah. Your dad slipped me a 20 to take you back to church. Let's go and have a nice breakfast. In this cool place that has a bunch of just random stuff. Barbies. My favorite is Country Charm Barbie sitting at Cracker Barrel. Oh wow. I'm just a camo lazy boy deer. This is just like the epitome of country. Hello, I've been such a bad vlogger today, but I am doing something really exciting tonight, and that is I'm gonna be the underwater photographer to this very lovely gal, Star. I'm pretty excited because we just sort of connected on the internet, and this is the first person where they were like, oh, I like your photos, rather than like, you know, my pod or my friends and stuff. So yeah, we rented a nice indoor pool and I'm really excited about it. The only downside is I have a massive headache. So I've been taking pain medication all day and I have like a cool washcloth around my neck. And I just lay down with like my eyes covered, but you know, you gotta do what you gotta do. So I'm gonna brush my hair and get ready and go to the pool. I'm going to definitely keep my hair together, but it needs a good brush. I'm really excited because I can go to the pool and I'm literally just wearing like my bathing suit. I don't have to lug around a bunch of stuff. I'm just the photographer. All I need is my equipment and myself. This is my everyday hairbrush, but I also have a tiny travel wet brush that I bring with me every time I'm in the water. And after I get out of the water, I use any sort of leave-in conditioner to just spray and brush my hair so that it doesn't turn into a complete mess. I also usually, every time I wash my hair in the shower, I comb it out in the shower, and then I don't really brush my hair like that often unless I feel like it really needs it. My favorite style is this sort of like bubble ponytail. Inspired by Ocean Ramsey and Courtney Mermaid. So I think that's what I'm gonna do for tonight. But I don't know if I want it on the top of my head, above my mask, or like a low pony below my mask. I think we're gonna go high pony. Okay. Give it a little flare. One more ponytail at the very bottom. Yeah, so there we go. There we have our bubble ponytail. Wow, that's so funny. But yeah, I really like this hairstyle for the water. It works really well, keeps everything together, and looks really cute. I usually don't like doing like high ponies, or I mean I do like doing them, but I hate my hairline because I always feel like I have bald spots. But my pod mama, Circus Siren Morgana, she gave me a very nice compliment and complimented my hairline and was just like mesmerized by it, and it made me feel more confident. So if you're watching this, thank you, Morgana. You don't know what that meant to me. Okay, let's go. Yeah, the lights in there. This is gonna be so dope. Okay, go for it. Wow.